As you see, guys, there is no serial number here, so I cannot see any serial numbers. Oh, maybe, no, but it's too hard to drag out. Cannot actually drag it out without. I cannot actually drag it out. I don't know if you can see it. Six 122 159, I guess, or 6. I'm not sure. It's upside down. So let's get to the problem. I don't know if you can hear it, but no. That's so annoying, actually. This is when I'm moving left and right. And the chair is actually like brand new. It hasn't like been more than 6 months, I guess. So I don't think there is sound when I do this. I can't actually do it right now. I have to be on the chair. So there it is, guys.